You see that? The LED is on. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to actually use this sensor. It's a sound sensor KY038 with this Raspberry Pi Pico. Here's another one of these, but it just has like a bigger microphone than this one, so it's basically not any different from each other. And like, yeah, we got this Raspberry Pi Pico here, and so guys, I'm just gonna show you guys the wiring of this this sensor and this LED here. And the LED is the same as last time actually. And also, if you're new to this channel and haven't checked out my previous video on getting started with Raspberry Pi Pico, I would suggest you watch that for this one, so it would make more sense. Okay, so this is the same pin as last time. It's GPIO 2, and this is the ground pin. It's connected to the negative terminal of the LED. The ground pin is connected to the negative terminal of the LED, and we got this GPIO 2 connected to the positive terminal of the LED. And this is a 1k ohm resistor here, because otherwise the LED would burn or something like that. Okay, so then you see these three wires here. This red one is the VCC, this gray one is the ground, and this one is the GPIO 28, which is connected to the analog pin of the sensor. Here, let me just show you guys. This is the analog pin, the ground, and the VCC. The analog, the ground, the analog, the ground, the VCC, and this is the digital pin, but we're not using it right now, so yeah. Okay, so now that's pretty much it. So guys, the LED, this is the pin. This GP2 is the positive terminal of the LED, is connected to the positive terminal of the LED, and this ground pin is connected to the negative terminal of the LED. Then we got this, this is the GPIO 28, which is connected to the analog pin of the KY038 or the sound sensor, and this is the ground pin, which the ground pin of the sensor is connected to, and this pin is the one which the VCC terminal, to which the VCC terminal of the sensor is connected. Now I'm just gonna connect this USB here to the Raspberry Pi, and you can see the lights are immediately on here, and the LEDs are immediately on here, and it takes you here, and I'm just gonna like go to the documents. I got this Raspberry Pi Pico folder here. It has micropython installed in it, so just gonna put it here, and no, so where is it? Here. Yeah, there we go. And okay, so now that it's connected, so I'm just gonna go to thonny. So from machine, import pin, import pin, import uTime, which is the time library, and I imported pin function from the machine library. Okay, so and now we got the sound sensor. The sound sensor is equal to pin 28 equals pin dot in, and then we got the LED, which is equals to pin 2 now here's the interesting part. Okay, so if it is the pin dot input, so it means that that the sensor is giving input to the Raspberry Pi Pico. But if it's like pin dot out, it means that the Pico is giving output to that pin, which in this case is the pin 2. Okay, moving forward. Okay, sorry, I forgot about this one. Pin, and here we go. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put an infinite loop here. An infinite loop is like a loop that never ends. Yeah, and after that I'm just gonna put an if statement. If sound sensor, sound underscore sensor dot value oh, sorry about that, dot value double equals to 0, which means it's the sensor detects sound, then the LED should turn on, right? So just gonna write LED dot value equals 1. No, sorry, in the parentheses I'm just gonna write 1. Okay, so what happens is whenever the sensor detects any sound, then the LED dot value equals 1, which means the LED is on. And now I'm just gonna write uTime dot sleep for 2 seconds. Okay, so the LED will stay on for 2 seconds and then it will turn off. LED on, and it's gonna print ED on, and after that I will just write print sound detected here, and sound detected, and I'm just gonna make it like LED off here. There we go. And okay guys, so I'm just gonna test how it works now. So I forgot about this. You have to run it. You see that? You see that? So just gonna run it again. You see that? The LED is on. There we go. That was our project. And guys, if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.